I never actually thought aging research would be my topic.
I just find it fascinating to understand the aging process.
Of course, we could extend lifespan, but now our goal is to extend health span.
How age-related diseases actually occur and how we can slow them down or even abolish them altogether.
There are many, many open questions.
So we have 3 institutes here. The first one is the CECAD, then we have the Max Planck Institute for Biology of Aging, and then Max Planck Institute for Metabolism Research.
You get the chance to interact with them, to talk to them, to learn about their work, to get inspired by them.
We can actually explore so many things with the core facilities that we have here, which are not possible necessarily everywhere else.
So there's almost no limit to our research ideas because we can always tackle them by going to the right core facility.
So that really allows you to go from basic science all the way to clinical science.
We regularly have seminars and talks by everyone who works here, as well as many invited speakers from the leading world aging institutes.
What we're trying to do is always to basically work on the edge of human knowledge, right? So you want to discover something new.
My first PhD project actually died. That's not special to the CGA, that's just the reality of, academic research. But within the structure of the CGA, I had all of the support and allowances I would need to kind of navigate that.
At the end of this recruitment weekend they are all very positive, being very nervous in the beginning and then relax over the days. This is really a very nice experience.
You end up working with people, and the way the recruitment week was set up gave us the perfect opportunity to really find a place that fit us in terms of our interests and in terms of us.
Like, they really go above and beyond to help and support you.
The buddy program specifically for international people coming here and not knowing anyone, that can be quite a scary and intimidating experience.
For example, my buddy helped me a lot with the housing situation.
People from Cologne usually tell you that the city is not that beautiful, but the people are. So it's a vibe.
Mentorship was one of the things that help you how to deal with it when PhD comes with many more things simultaneously.
It's because you are mentored by people who have decided to go in different directions.
Not only in academia, but also industry. And for us as PhD students, I think it's super important to have contact with people who were in our shoes and now developed into many different things.
Other people have been in the same situation and they all found their way.
Maybe this is not the best answer, but I would say the economical support really, really helps you just focus on your research and enjoy the experience.
Personally, one of the most exciting moments is when I had managed to acquire the first set of data and then was able to travel to first international conference because I had that travel grant and support from the CGA. But that moment I still remember, yeah.
Well, I heard there's a party, which I had no clue about. I came here thinking it would be just a symposium.
One of the most striking moments was the first time I went to the graduate symposium.
For the ones who have been doing this 10 years ago, it's cool to see the new people.
Where they are at their stage right now, how did they get there? And I'm just really happy to meet them, to exchange stories, yeah.
Bit of emotional, bit of scientific, always a mixture.
So our group size is 12 because it turns out that this is forming a nice class of students that then work together and go through their PhD together as a class.
Here it's more like, hi Daniela, or hi Francisca, we need this, and they are like next day available for you.
I remember when we started this, we were really afraid that we had no applications whatsoever, I remember.
First, you really need to think why you want to join, because it's going to be really aging related, so you need to be interested in aging somehow.
My tip would be yourself. Present the best of yourself, but be yourself. Don't try to pretend to be another person. Once you apply, people look at these applications, and that also allows you to maybe get an offer outside of the graduate school, even if you're not part of the 12 places, which is of course very competitive.
Every person is born in a specific country based on pure luck. Like what your goals are that could be more convincing to the selection committee rather than your background.
Your idea, why you want to join. I think if you make that clear to the coordination and the people behind of this, I think you can get it and you should go for it.
Yep.